What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Revo 3.3 conversion. I converted this a while ago. I haven't ran it in a while. Last time I had the BLX system in there, but I put in another system in there. Don't really need this system to be fast in this car, but this is a Traxxas Onyx ESC, 80 amp ESC, 2 to 3 yes capable. And then I got a GoolRC motor, 38 kV. The servos are 2055, and you have 2 of them. This was a very easy conversion for me because I did it before, so it's real simple. The hardest part you're going to have with this conversion is the transmission, locking it up. Got to figure out how to lock it up. I lock one of the gears up so it has reverse, forward, reverse, but it takes away the 2-speed to the transmission when I locks it up. I want to get her out and run her real quick. I'm going to add a wheelie bar pretty soon because this thing holds a wheelie because it sits up so high. I have to figure out a way to at least drop it a little bit so it won't hold that wheelie as much. I have certain things I can do, but zip tie is one of my favorite things to do. When I can't get it down, I can zip tie it down, but then as long as I don't mess with the travel, it'll work out. But I'm gonna take her out for a little run just so y'all could check her out in action, and just in case you haven't seen my other videos on it. There's a lot more things I want to do to this, but let's get into it. What I'm gonna run it on, I'm gonna run it on an Onyx battery, 5200 milliamps, 50C, only 2S. Cause it really don't need too much power. But also, what I'm gonna do a speed test, just see how fast. I don't expect too much speed from her, but let's see what she got. All right, got her out now. The suspension is good on here though. Yeah, Willie. That little bit was 29 miles an hour. I really wasn't pushing it. So let's see what we can get. That suspension is working. I need to eliminate some of that suspension, that travel in the suspension though. But let's check that speed out. That was like 32 miles an hour, but I keep losing satellite, so. It's straight though. Yo, let's check that speed, see what that was. Says it was only 32 again. Let me give it one more shot, but I think the 32 is as good as it's gonna get. But let's see. Let's check that out. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. With the gearing I got, and it's a 2S. Maybe on 3S I'll probably get maybe 40 something miles an hour, but on 2S this is all, and the gearing I got, this is all I'm gonna get. Let's check that speed real quick. Yep, 32 is good as it get. Let's just bash around real quick. I can get it faster than that. It's just these the suspension. Suspension and the let me take my nav out of here. My GPS, so I'll probably lose it or break it. I can pull off a side wheel though. Body all mingled. Let me fix that real quick. This car got potential, but I gotta work on the suspension. That's the problem. It's all about the suspension. Good. It's not stable because of the suspension. I mean, it's stable, but not like how I drive. It's not stable. 4S really. 6 might be pushing it. I'll have to do a lot of upgrading to get this to 6. Not too much worth it, but it's a challenge. As always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.